Hello once again, students. Welcome back to our online class. And this class is all about picture analysis and listening activity. So, you're going to see the picture and understand the picture as well. Okay? So, our lesson for today is determining and understanding the events. So, this is our lesson 7, picture analysis and listening activity. Are you ready? Alright, let's have a warm up. Let us listen to the conversation and let's try to find out which is the correct picture from the conversation. Okay? So listen carefully, students, so that you will know what picture is in the conversation. Alright, let's listen carefully, okay? So I'll play the audio.
You look tired.
Yeah, I am.
Why?
My job.
Your job?
Every morning.
What do you do?
I deliver newspapers.
You deliver newspapers?
Yeah, so every morning I get up early. I wake up at 3:15.
3:15.
Yeah, then I get up and have a cup of tea. I go to work at 3:45.
You go to work at 4:45? That's early.
Yeah, I know. I start around 4 and finish around 5:30. Then I go home and go back to bed for an hour.
You go back to bed?
Yeah, I get up at 7:15 and go to school.
Every morning?
Yeah, every morning.
That's a tough schedule.
Alright, class, you got it? Did you understand? Alright, I will play once again the audio and find out the correct picture. Let's listen again.
You look tired.
Yeah, I am.
Why?
My job.
Your job?
Every morning.
What do you do?
I deliver newspapers.
You deliver newspapers?
Yeah, so every morning I get up early. I wake up at 3:15.
3:15.
Yeah, then I get up and have a cup of tea. I go to work at 3:45.
You go to work at 4:45? That's early.
Yeah, I know. I start around 4 and finish around 5:30. Then I go home and go back to bed for an hour.
You go back to bed?
Yeah, I get up at 7:15 and go to school.
Every morning?
Yeah, every morning.
That's a tough schedule.
Okay, so students, let's find out the correct picture. What do you think? Did you understand the conversation? Alright, let's find out which is the correct picture. So picture A, picture B, or picture C. Now students, I will ask you first, what do you think are the activities from the following picture? In picture A, what do they do? What do you think? Try to exercise your analysis when you look at the picture. Okay, so since our lesson is all about picture analysis and listening activity, so you can do also the picture analysis. Observe what are the activities done from the picture. Okay, so you can pause this video and try to imagine What do they do from this following picture? Alright, so let's find out the answer. Which of these pictures are the correct scene in the conversation? A, B, or C? Alright, so as you noticed from the conversation, there are two people talking, right? And what do they talk about? Okay, so they are talking about the newspapers, right? So where do you think are the newspapers that they talk about? Okay, think about that, students. All right, as you see, obviously, the correct picture is, okay, so the correct picture is picture B. Okay, so the man is talking about his job and he said he is delivering newspapers. So, in short, he delivers newspapers every morning. As you see, there is a newspaper here. Okay, he's holding a newspaper. So, this is the correct picture or the correct scene from the conversation. Alright, so that's how we analyze the conversation and the picture. Okay, so in this way, we can enhance and maximize our listening skills. And not only listening skills, but also determining the correct picture or situation from the conversation. Alright, that's our warm up. Alright, class, this time, look at each picture. What are they doing? What are they talking about? So, just write down some keywords under each picture. What do you think are the activities of the following pictures? Picture A, picture B, and picture C. Okay? So I want you to write down your answers in your notebook and I'm going to check it. This is a part of your activity for this lesson. Okay, for example, picture A, picture B, and picture C. Let's find out what are the following activities. Okay, in picture A, what do you think is the activities done in picture A? Okay, just write the keywords, students, okay? Do not write in a sentence form or in a paragraph form, okay? Just the keywords. At least you have understood or you can understand the picture, right? Okay, so picture A, what do you think are the activity in the picture A? Okay, so for example, in picture A, so sleep late. Okay, so as you see, this boy seems so sleepy, no? He seems uh, he has lack of sleep. Okay, so that's it. Just write some keywords from the picture as you have seen. Next, picture B. What do you think is the activity of picture B? What do you think is the keywords of this picture? Okay, as you see, this boy seems so tired. So, you can write tired at work. Okay, so do not copy these examples, students. No? Just write your own idea. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so letter C, what do you think is the activity of this picture C? Right, for example, making projects. Okay, as you see, this boy seems he's cutting some newspapers or pictures. He gets some pictures from these newspapers. Okay, so maybe he's doing his project. Okay, so what else? There's a lot of idea how to determine the activities done in the picture, right? Don't you worry. So this is uh, about giving an idea, okay? I want you to exercise your picture analysis, okay? So this is our activity for this lesson, okay? Write your own idea, huh? Do not copy these examples. Okay, students? All right. Now, let's listen again to the conversation and connect the correct time of the following activities. All right, as you see, students, okay, we have the following activities here, and all you have to do is connect the correct time of these activities, okay, or these daily routines. Okay, so listen carefully to the conversation and try to analyze what are the correct time of these activities. Okay, wake up, leave home, start work, finish work, and get up again. Okay, what are the correct time of these activities? Okay, listen carefully.
You look tired.
Yeah, I am.
Why?
My job.
Your job?
Every morning.
What do you do?
I deliver newspapers.
You deliver newspapers?
Yeah, so every morning I get up early. I wake up at 3:15.
3:15.
Yeah, then I get up and have a cup of tea. I go to work at 3:45.
You go to work at 4:45? That's early.
Yeah, I know. I start around 4 and finish around 5:30. Then I go home and go back to bed for an hour.
You go back to bed?
Yeah, I get up at 7:15 and go to school.
Every morning?
Yeah, every morning.
That's a tough schedule.
All right, students. Perhaps you had understood the conversation, okay? So all you need to do is connect the correct time of the following activities. For example, uh, wake up at okay 3:45. Okay, just connect them by drawing a line. Okay, so copy this activity in your notebook. All right, so that's how we do our activity in this lesson. Do you understand? I'm going to check your notebook so that I will see if you really do this activity. Okay? So that's our class for today. So I hope you can continue practicing uh, how to listen carefully in the conversation, in the speaker, in the audio. Okay? So because Our subject is focused on listening and speaking. So I hope you had enjoyed our class for today. And thank you so much, students, for watching and listening to this video. See you again next class. Bye, students.